Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video for the fuse location of Windows. And if you're looking for it, now it's a mess. I'm going to be honest. I was looking for it because you have many menus, and every single menu for the BMW 1 Series can have different fuse. So you just want to look it for your exact number, your exact car, but primarily it should be 22, 83, or 84. But also I just like this is for the older version of BMW. And for these, it's 41, 66, 78, 79, 80, or 81. And primarily when it's going to be here for 22, 83, 84, then we're going to look right here and it's going to be 10 to 2, this one. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's going to be this 22 here. You got it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. This is like the 22. And either it's going to be, depends where you're going to have the wheel. If you're, let's say, from the UK, you can have either it on the right side or you can have it either on left side, the fuse box location, or you have to open. You can just like look on the YouTube on how to find it. And then you're going to look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 22 one. And that's for the location of Windows. But primarily, if you're going to have older version, and this is going to be the 1 series 2004 to 2013. And here when I'm going to Windows, so this is F62, like 41, 66, 78, 79, 80, 81. And like I was looking for the information and just couldn't get it much that for what works what. But here when you can look here for 41, it's right here. So it's this one, or it's going to be the 66, so even this one. And it's randomly located. I don't really understand why they do it, because what is really great if they would just have one for everything, plug it out, plug it back in. So I just want to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to be beneficial. I hope it does it. It's going to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.